Hi, this is Mike with Confi-Dents. Let us show you what we can do with paintless dent repair. Stay tuned.
To show you just how well paintless dent repair works using our method, we're actually going to create a dent as you're seeing here, and we're going to repair it right in front of you. So this dent in particular is very challenging to repair due to the location of the damage, and we're actually using what's called a glue pulling technique, which essentially allows us to work the damage from the outside and basically manipulate that metal back to its original factory position. As you're seeing here, the results are flawless and the original factory paint remains intact. Here's some more dents on a hood we're going to repair for you, and these are really bad dents. Now, we do have access to the backside of these dents, and we're going to be fixing them using the paintless dent repair method. Now, these are overstretched dents, meaning the metal has been basically pushed past its threshold. So we have to use special tools and techniques to get this metal back to its original shape. But in the end, you will see the results are fantastic. Now, I want you to pay attention to the reflections of the beams of the ceiling there. They're basically wiggling around, and that's an indication that we still have quite a bit of work left to do. The reflections should all line up when we're done. And here is us pushing on the metal from the backside, continuing our work to finally get to this result. And like I said, fantastic end result. This vehicle brought back to its original factory condition without having to repaint this hood. And this was done in a matter of hours, and we can do this at the customer's home. Now, definitely don't try this at home. This is a more significant and challenging repair that takes a lot more time, effort, and skill on the technician's behalf, but we have no problem fixing this back to factory original condition without painting. And you can see we're getting from behind the panel. Look at the light reflection there actually moving. We're actually moving that metal very slowly from the backside of the panel, and also manipulating from the outside, as you're seeing there with hammer blending. Look at the results here. Absolutely fantastic. Brought back to its original factory state. Didn't have to change anything about this vehicle in the process of repairing it. And all done in a matter of hours, and this can be done on a mobile basis by appointment. Give us a call directly at 314-223-4827. We'll be glad to take your call and also answer any questions you may have about paintless dent repair. And also check us out on Facebook at Confi-Dents Paintless Dent Repair. Thanks for watching.